In this video, I'll show you how to transfer stocks from Robinhood to Fidelity, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. So in order to transfer your stocks from Robinhood to Fidelity, the first thing you need to do is find your Robinhood account number. Open the Robinhood app and tap the person icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner and tap on Investing at the top of the screen. At the top of that page, you'll see your account number. I'm not going to click further because that would expose personal information, but that's exactly where you'll find it. Make sure you write that down or take a screenshot because you'll need it. Next, head over to the Fidelity app. Tap the money icon in the bottom right corner, then tap Transfer. Select Transfer Assets from another financial institution and tap Continue. This will take you to Fidelity's website. On the website, tap Start a Transfer, search for Robinhood, and select Robinhood Securities LLC. Tap Next, then enter your Robinhood account number that you grabbed earlier. Leave the account type set to brokerage and press Next. From here, you'll choose whether you want to transfer into an existing account or open a new brokerage individual account. I personally don't want to open a new account right now, so I'm not going to go further, but this is where you would continue the process and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.